Welcome to SpringerMaterials, the world's largest, most comprehensive materials science database. In this video, we'll show you how to find and compare adsorption isotherms using SpringerMaterials Interactive. Let's start our journey on the SpringerMaterials homepage. In this example, we'd like to take a look at tetrafluoroethane. So let's type in tetrafluoroethane in the search box and hit enter. What you see is a list of all results covering tetrafluoroethane, no matter which property you're looking for. To refine these results, select Adsorption from the Properties list on the left-hand side. To do this, you can scroll through the list or type Adsorption under the Properties box. After refining by property, you end up with a single result. Click to open. Here you have an overview of the available content of tetrafluoroethane on a list of adsorbents with a brief description of the data range. Select the second result from the table. Click View to access the data. This opens an image that shows the adsorption isotherm of 1112 tetrafluoroethane on our selected adsorbent. To compare this isotherm on a second adsorbent, simply copy the isotherm name, drop it into Compare Systems, and select a second adsorbent to compare. For this example, let's select activated carbon. The final graph shows both sets of isotherms on two different adsorbents. Clicking on any one of the data points in the diagram opens a pop-up window providing the exact numbers for this given data point. Below the diagram is a data table showing the same data in tabular form. For each data point in the table, the original reference is provided. Clicking on the reference and compilation names provides details. The panel on the right-hand side of the interactive graph allows for manipulation of data. Refining by adsorption, system pressure and/or temperature automatically adjusts the graphical representation of data as well as the data table. Once you have your data range narrowed, select Set Filter and the graph and associated data table will automatically adjust to your parameters. To properly cite the document, click Download Citation under the Actions box on the right-hand side. This allows you to copy the citation using common data formats. You also have the option to download the graph and tabular data exactly as you have refined them. It's that simple.